Peace, blessing, and mercy be upon you, my dear students. Welcome for math session with your teacher, Mr. Muhammad Salah again, in lesson 4.3. As you see, the title is Equivalent Ratios and Multiplication Tables. Okay? You can find some times table here in that page, but I didn't put it for you because I have an easy way, easier than the using timetable. Okay, in our today's lesson, from the title says equivalent ratios. Okay, and we have studied the meaning of equivalent before. Equivalent comes from the word equal. Equivalent here, wait, equivalent, I need to highlight the word equivalent, means two things are equal. Okay, so this word comes from equal. Equivalent ratios, so in that lesson we're gonna see one ratio as a fraction, okay, like 1/2. Equal another thing here, equal another ratio. What should I write here? That I will learn you today. How can you use a multiplication table to find the equivalent ratios? You need to be perfect in multiplication times table to find the answer here. Okay, so let's unlock the problem together. The ratio of adults to students on a field trip is 3/8 or 3/8. Here 3 represents
adults.
Yeah, that's right. Adults.
Because they said adults first.
Yeah, he said adults first year. Good job, Saif. And 8 represents
Students.
Yes, students, because he said students second. So 3 adults to 8 students. Okay, write 2 ratios. He said write 2 ratios. So he needs 2 things, 2 requires that are equivalent to 3/8. So what should I do, teacher? First of all, you need to write 3/8 like this. And you need to use your multiplication times table skills. Here, I need another equivalent ratio for this. And I need another equivalent ratio for the first ratio here. What should I do? I said in the essential question, how can you use a multiplication table? Multiplication table. So you need to multiply only. If you want to find equivalent ratio for the first one, you need to multiply. You need to what? Multiply. Multiply by what? By any number, teacher? Yes, by any number if you want. Let's try 2. Multiply by 2. And when you multiply up by 2, you must multiply down by 2.
You multiply up and down.
Yeah, this is the rule we have studied in grade 5. 3 times 2 equals what? 6. And
6
times 2 equals
16.
16.
So 6/16 or 6 adults or 6, I can name them, 6 adults to how many
16
students?
student.
Yeah, 16 students.
Or
Great
6
job.
to 16. 6 to 16.
Look at the last one. How can I get the last one? Just a minute, please.
Multiply 3 by 6.
Multiply the first one, Ahmed. The first one. I will not change anything. I will try with first one once.
KCF.
And I will try again with here to get here. Here I will try multiply by 3. 3 times 3. This 3 from my mind. The 3 from where? From where?
From my mind.
Yes. So to write equivalent ratios, multiply by a number from your mind. Okay, multiply by 2.
Okay.
But what should you multiply? I should to multiply the main ratios in the question. The main ratios by 2, I got 6/16. And the main ratio by 3 up and down, I'll get what? 9 over
Over 24. 24.
24. So right now, I have written 2 equivalent fractions to this one. So
It's 6 and 6 to 16 and 9 to 24.
9 to 24 are equivalent to 3/8 or to 3 to 8. Do you understand the lesson today? That's it. That's it.
Yes.
Yes.
Only.
Mister, I
Yes.
didn't.
Teacher, I
don't
understand.
Okay, so
Not
please
really
right.
understand.
If
Sir,
you
I am
Muhammad
understand,
Rizal, not
okay,
I'm not
Muhammad.
really
Teacher, I have
understand.
another.
All right. So please wait. Please wait. If you want to understand, you need to practice another example. Okay? And you need to answer my questions that I'll ask you right now, Muhammad Zaki. Muhammad Zaki,
Yes, Mister.
read the title, please.
Where?
Read the title.
Well,
Equivalent. Okay?
equivalent
Equivalent. Equivalent.
and
Ratios. Okay? And
ratios and multiplication tables.
good job. So equivalent ratios and the multiplication tables. What is the meaning of equivalent, Muhammad? Please, all of you guys,
Equal.
write my answer in any empty space in the book. Okay? Don't care about tables. Don't care about tables that you see in the book right now. You need to put all tables inside your mind. Complete, Muhammad. Here,
Okay.
in that lesson, what should we do? Read this question, please.
Okay. How can you use the multiplication table to find equivalent
Ratios. Okay?
ratios?
Before you use multiplication table, I would like to ask you about this. Imagine, what is this?
Pizza.
Pizza, okay? When I cut it into two equal parts, okay, and I want to eat this part, what fraction should I represent this part? What fraction for this part? 1/2, am I right?
1/2, yeah.
Yeah, 1/2. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
So Muhammad, I need to cut it another way, by this. If I cut it,
4.
look, into 4, yes, into 4.
Okay.
So how many parts did you eat here and here? How many parts?
2.
2, that's right. 2 over what?
2/4.
Good job, 2 over. So is 1/2 equal to 2/4?
Yeah.
Tell me, by your eyes, use your visualizing
Okay.
way. Is 1/2 equal to 2/4 or 2/4?
Yes,
1/2 here, yes, equal 2/4. So one
about multiply.
1/2, yes, 1/2 equals 2/4. So they are equivalent. They are what? Equivalent. So they are
Equivalent.
equivalent. Yes, equivalent. Can I write equivalent fraction to 1/2 by using the multiplication table? Multiply
Yes, Mister.
both of them
Yes.
by 2 up and down.
Multiply 2.
Multiply by 2. This 2 from your where? From where?
Your mind.
Your mind. Good job. So 1 multiply 2 equals 2.
2
And 2 multiply
over
2
4.
equals
2/4.
4. So this equivalent fraction to 1/2. Do you understand right now? If you need another
Yes, Mister.
equivalent fraction to 1/2, multiply by 3.
I know.
Okay, you will get another
Multiply by
equivalent fraction. 1 multiplied by 3
I know.
equals,
1 multiplied by 3 is 3.
and 2 multiplied 3 equals
6.
6. So another equivalent fraction, 3/6 equals 1/2.
One
and
half.
2/4 equals 1/2, and all of
One
them
half.
are equal to each other. Okay? Do you understand
Okay,
right
Mister.
now? Okay.
Yeah, it's too easy, Mister. Now.
Easy, yes. But I need you to write the answer of the unlock the problem in any empty space by using my way here, multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Right now, quickly. Let's practice,
Mister,
guys,
but
another questions. Let's practice
I
another.
close my mic, Mister.
Yeah, close your mic. Please stop chatting together and focus with your teacher when he asks you about this question. All right, let's get started. The first one who raised his hand here is named Ahmed Badr. So Ahmed, read with me, please.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. This have made fruit punch by mixing 2 pints of orange juice with 5 pints of pineapple juice. To make more punch, she needs to mix orange juice and pineapple juice in the same ratio.
Right. Yeah.
Write 3 equivalent ratios for 2 to 5.
Yeah, 2 to 5. Good job. So this is the main ratio in the question. I need to write another equivalent fraction. He said 3 equivalent fractions. He
Yeah, okay.
used 3. So
Very easy.
what should you multiply your ratio by?
So 2 multiplied by 2
Yes, he wrote
equals
here
4,
2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. And here,
and by 2 equals 5.
that's right. When you multiply
Equal
up,
10.
2 equals 4, and we multiply by 2 down equals 10. So Ahmed, don't forget, and all your classmates should not to forget, when you multiply up by 2, for example, you must multiply down by 2, the same number. Here, I need another equivalent fraction or
2
equivalent.
multiplied by 3 equals 6.
So this 2 multiply by 3 equals
6.
6, and this 2 multiply this 5, sorry, multiply by what?
Multiplied by 3 also.
By 3. So when we multiply by 3 up, we must multiply by 3 down. Good job. So the answer is written 15.
Yes.
This book is smart. Okay, complete.
Okay, so and 2 multiplied by 4
Excellent.
equals 8.
Equals 8.
And 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20.
Yes, this 5 multiplied by another number 4 equals 20. So what are the equivalent fraction to this ratio 2 to 5?
4 to 10 and
Yeah,
6 to
4 to 10.
And 6 to 15
and
8 to 20.
8 to 20. Good job, Ahmed. Thank you. Do you understand Ahmed question, guys? Huh? Do you understand Ahmed question, guys?
Yes, Mister. It's so
Yes,
so easy.
it's so easy. This topic is easy.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Is there any problem with anyone with you? Don't
Nino.
be shy. Don't be shy to ask me. I would like to understand, teacher.
Teacher, my problem that I want to answer any question.
Okay, you will answer. All questions answer. Whose name? Shaham. Whose name Shaham? Or Sham?
Moda.
Moha? Muhammad what?
Hashim.
All right. So Ahmed Ashraf.
Yes,
Ahmed Badr, can you see your star here? Can you see?
على راسي يا مستر.
I understand it now.
Sir, can
Here,
I
two
answer
stars.
an example?
Yeah. Let's start with another example with your classmate Ahmed Ashraf. Ahmed Ashraf, I would like to ask you. So I need to complete Ahmed's here in that class.
Mister.
Yeah, wait, Muhammad, please. Muhammad, I don't want to waste my time, so wait, please. If you have any question, in your turn. Okay? Ahmed Ashraf. Ahmed Ashraf, multiply or divide by a form of 1. To write two equivalent ratios for 6 to 8. 6 adults, 8 students. Yeah, I need to multiply. So if you want to get equivalent fraction, you must do what? You must do what? Multiply. Multiply by any number if you want, according your mind wants. Okay, so tell me, what number should you write here, or what number do you want?
3.
Okay, 3. If you want to multiply by 3 up, what should you multiply down by?
2.
No, the same number I said. If you choose 3 up, you must multiply 3 down. Okay, don't change the number in one step. Okay. Okay, Ahmed. So 6 multiply 3 equals,
10.
what?
10.
18.
18 now, Mr.
6 plus 6 plus 6, 18.
18.
Okay, and the 8 multiply 3. 8 plus 8 plus 8.
Mr. 26.
26. Are you sure? So let's ask another one. Muhammad Rida. Is Ahmed right? He said 26.
Yes, Mr.
Ahmed is right. Muhammad Rida, he said 26.
Mr. 24. 24.
He fixed his answer now. 24.
4.
Take care, Ahmed. I said you need to be perfect in the timetable. Okay?
Okay.
So, how can you be perfect in the timetable? How? In the book here, you can see times table. Revise them. Okay? Right here, guys, remember.
Mr. Can you repeat the lesson because
1
my
multiply
laptop-
1 equals 1. 1 multiply 2 equals 2. 1 multiply 3 equals 3, and so on.
Teacher, I don't need it because I know it.
You are weak a little bit in times table, so you need to revise and remember. 2 multiply 1 equals 2. 2 multiply 2 equals 4. 2
So
multiply.
easy, teacher.
Okay, read them only. Read. Every time, read
It's
it.
like a game, teacher.
Okay,
It's like a game.
every day, read them. Read and read,
Mr.
so you will be perfect here. Okay, so again, the answer here, multiply by 3 equals 18, and multiply by 3 equals 24. Okay, Ahmed, do you understand right now? Can you divide, Ahmed? Can you divide 6 and 8 by specific number? What is the common factor between 6 and 8? You need 4, okay. Can you divide 6 by 4 and you will get a real number? 4 times what?
2, Mr. 2.
2, yeah, that's easy. 2, it's better than 4. There is no 4 in times table 6. So when you divide up by 2, what should you divide by down?
2.
2, the same thing, yes. 6 divided by 2 equals
3.
3, and 8 divided by 2 equals
4.
4. So you got 2 answers right now. One by using multiplication, okay?
And
One
1
by using division, okay? 6 over 8, or 6 to 8, the main ratio, equals to what and what?
80,
18, yeah,
18 and 24.
24, and
3, 4,
so all of them are what?
28.
Are what? Read this.
Are equivalent
Ratio.
Ratios.
Okay. Say ratios, Ahmed.
ratios.
Please, guys, write the answer in.
I have a question. Can I say it?
Just a minute. Muhammad Salah, before you has a
Quickly question.
just a minute. I will listen to you after him. Muhammad.
Mister, can you repeat some of the lesson because my laptop and some of issues. that I cannot hear you.
Okay, do you understand this example here?
Yeah, this I
The
understand.
same idea in the previous. And if you missed any point, you need to get back to the video, Muhammad. Why do I record this video? So
Okay.
I need to finish the lesson, Muhammad, okay? To get back
Can I make a question?
and watch. Yeah, your question, Ahmed.
When we're going to divide, can we choose any? We choose the least denominator.
Yeah, choose the least common factor, okay?
Yeah, the least common factor or the greatest or anything.
Anything, if you want, okay?
Oh, okay.
I didn't ask you write the answer in the simplest form. If I ask you about in the simplest form, so you need to choose the greatest common factor for both.
Okay.
If I didn't ask you the simplest form, so divide by any common factor between them.
Mr. Please, can I
Okay,
answer?
thank you.
Just a minute, guys. You're welcome.
Because I didn't answer today.
But Muhammad Rida turn right now. Muhammad Rida, write two equivalent ratios quickly. This is your picture, Muhammad, if you finish the answer right.
Yes, Mr.
Write two equivalent ratios.
Okay, I can do it.
Use a multiplication table to write two equivalent ratios, okay? That are equal to 4 to 7. 4 to 7. I need another equivalent ratios here. What should I do?
8 to 14.
8 to 14. Excellent. You multiply by 2 in your mind. Excellent. You multiply by 2.
Then-
Down.
Then 12 to 21.
12 to 21. Great. You multiplied by 3. Do you understand the Muhammad Rida answer, guys? Look, Muhammad
Yes,
Rida
it's easy
has a
peasy.
good mental math. Good job, Muhammad Rida. Thank you. So please don't forget, when you multiply in your mind, erase the multiplication number here and write only the answer. The next one after Muhammad, time. So time, complete the table. 3 over 7 or 3 to 7. What should I do to get equivalent fractions?
Can you say it again, Mr.?
3 over 7. This is the ratio, 3 over 7. I need another equivalent, and here another equivalent, 2, 3 over 7.
Okay, Mr. Mr. We can multiply them by 3.
Okay, multiply here by 3 as you want. Multiply by 3. What is the answer?
3 by 3 equals 9 and 7 by 3 equals 21.
21. I need another one. So I'll erase this 3.
Multiply by 6.
Okay, as you want to multiply by 6. If you are so
3 multiply 6 equals 18 and 7 multiply 6 equals 42.
excellent, 42. Good job. Thank you for this.
Can I answer?
You will answer according to turn. Safe right now. Yeah, safe.
Start.
5 to 2 or 5 over 2. I
Okay. I multiply by 100.
100 so much.
It's easy. 500 then 200.
Okay, so here 500 and here
200.
Yes. Choose number less than this.
2.
Okay.
10 over 4.
Yeah, good job here. 10 and over 4. Okay. Here, question number 4 for Hassan. I need you to divide here and multiply here. Hassan,
Okay.
focus all of you, my
2
dear.
divide 2 equals 1 teacher
Yeah.
and 1 over 5.
So here
1
multiply
over
by
5.
2, by 2 equals what? 4 over what?
4 over 20.
Or 20. And here when you divide it by 2,
1 over 5.
it's 1 over 5. So guys, you can use multiplication or division to find equivalent fractions. So guys, please do this as a homework. Do this as a homework. Do this as a homework. Let's go
Just
down.
do that.
Let's go down. Have you finished your handwriting? All of
Yes.
you?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, so let's
No, Mr.
quickly, please finish.
No, Mr. Mr. Can I answer?
You can answer, inshallah, in your turn. When your turn comes. So here I'll ask Abdulaziz. Raise your hand.
I didn't done. Yes, teacher.
Abdulaziz, I have another question
Yes,
for you. I said the previous question, 9, 8, and 7 as a homework. Am I right?
No, 5, 6, and 7.
Good job.
Mister, we just solve it. Mister, we just solve it. How it's homework?
Solve it right now if you want. And 8, 9,
No, I mean,
10, 11, 12, 13 as a homework, the same thing. Solve them now.
sir.
If you want to solve them now, solve them now. Take a screenshot or take a phone, a picture, and send me on WhatsApp. Abdulaziz,
Mister.
Yeah.
Question 5, 6, and 7. We just solved it. How you say it's homework?
yeah, 5, 6, 7 as a homework.
Yeah, we just solved it with you.
Where is it? What are our solution? We didn't solve them.
We did.
No.
Oh, that's.
No, we didn't.
No. We answered 2, 3, 4, but 5, 6, 7 we didn't.
I thought that it was together.
Okay. No
13?
problem.
I thought that it was together.
As a
Bye,
whole,
teacher. Bye.
just a minute. We have 2 minutes.
Okay.
Before we leave, we have
Teacher, do we have a homework in Think Central?
yeah, you have homework on Think Center. Guys,
أنت
please
خطيرة على المجتمع.
Then bye, teacher.
focus. No, don't say bye, Hassan. Hassan, I have another point here. It's important. Determine whether the ratio are equivalent. We will say here they are equivalent or not. 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 How? By using
Multiplication.
Division.
Division.
Multiplication.
Crossway.
We can
Crossway.
Crossway. When you multiply 3 times 8 equals what? Equals 24. And 12 multiplied by 2, 12,
Yeah.
24. So they are equivalent. 24 equals 24. So they are what? Equivalent. Okay? When you multiply,
Can we write equal?
10 times 6 equals 60. And 10 times 8 equals 80. So 80 is not equal to 60. So they are not.
Sir,
Yes.
can we write equal?
Okay,
Yeah.
you can write equal, or you can
Let's
write
go.
as not equal like this. Okay? When you multiply 60 by 4, look and multiply 60 by 4. 15 multiply 16.
240.
Yeah, you're right. 240 here. And 15 multiplied by 16 equals what? Who can get it faster?
Me,
15.
teacher, me.
Me, Mr. Me.
Solve them as a homework because the time is.
Sir, I have a question about the test tomorrow.
Okay.
Do we have word problems?
Yeah, you have inshallah word problems in Kahoot competition. So sorry.
Mr. We have Mr.
Questions. Bye.